say na me da na me say the same got to moon na me say ya kwa me kubi ya ba me ba na me na se kan ya ma konta cause we are simo bi show bi be timi ya do my den na ma dipe aban you met so me chinipi esa din ka krevi me mboni mi Friday wa kubi na ma club me nyamba ya wa kuya na ma choke one corner one lana.
Alright, Ebushia for Yamama Kwaba, S.I.M. Mamo, Acheson Kokra, Eba HYTV, so your morning show, and Edu so come for Clement, Magic Bramede, Eba Besumbo, Yesha see at the sports no at the Breo, Afi, the daily analysis no at was so Nafi, Comodia Hodo, Wohono, yet the Atao, so no pino, me set me too for Kakra na, for to sema me newo a channel, in sema a dear no, I met you in say. Yambo modi say ye betimi a prepare your home a year ye mofra no ye youth no ye betimi prepare for the future, not the future for them. It say ya tena se ewo ye wiase mu ama ye hunu say ye youth a ye wo mo ewo eye oman Ghana mu hanom say no dodo na wa hanoma obi ono mo ye sikani o si osidan we e de siwo ama ne ba. If you are or say a company where me mati and I say Messi a me badia, Nenso Nebana Kasana, our no on prepare crano for a year the company. Due to say we have a lot of incompetent youth around in Ghana. Osha nipa dudona yimbe benati mi a year school a hodoni nyama be brave, but we don't have a place to work. Ye move brain na nkasa krampo no yetimi wie school no so ekra say bia ye kwakọ ye adwuma bia ye kwakọ ye adwuma wo shebo so ye kwakọ ye adwuma wo oil company bim, but you know the truth of the matter is the person is not competent, so it is better for you to prepare the youth for the future than preparing the future for the youth. It is better for you to prepare the youth for the future than preparing the future for the youth. Police ambassador Sanfa to Sumami. It is better for you to prepare the future, the youth for the future than preparing the future for the youth. Now, we every year Franklin D. Roosevelt SO. Nakache Eneba say we cannot always build the future for our youths, but we can build our youth for the future. The moon enti asiena na mene wo chese mene umienu nyoma bebre wo ha na otimu say youth na e wo ha no o si wo wie a technical university, but ontimi nye bibia e friend technical just a one pen. Ye will be what your youths need be what or my gun and remove one man or what was oil and gas. Your oil and gas courses be brave. Me as a school and I'm here Nancy now your students need be what, but to be say quite very soon you first two gas are ultimately. What did the coffee in this one ultimately? Nina say whatever we are doing, you prepare the youth for the future. And obey. Ubana wofi hono no, prepare that person. Our rain or kokra ebi mo okra, some people are not prepared. E no mo kwa aware. Onim de ekoso wo hono. Me de na say okay, me baba be ware nti me de me ba no me ma ne mbre nti na wofo no otimi wo no otimi sidan ma na ase wo ne ba ne se omo kotinam. Otimi to edan kese ebi wo no mo sukwa na ne wedding no, obo de aso betimi abon ka na wedding na kese pa na so abofra no, otimi say the person is not prepared for marriage. Aduane no akra no ayedin what you say Ghana han say ye nyema bebra ye school kra ye kɔ no ye prepare nkola no for nyema bebra omo ye because what you say ye see akola we engineer ye see akola we doctor ye see akola we say, but we cannot produce even what we call medicine. A lot of medicines bebra on my ye defeat a brucheneba ni nyina say we have not prepared our youth for the future. Coronavirus by no ye nya youth bi omo man Ghana mu antime ngina say omo no mo ye den omo hwe ayi ya re na fi ho anase omo pa anu aduru say we are not preparing our children or the youth for the future. But I'm you know, Masadi we told him and work towards it. Near say Ghana, a bit Yafa, Yentuapa, a friend. No more brain echoes or my Ghana. Now, this is the daily analysis of issues in government. And me the Edio come up for Clement, and they are somewhere on a pay. And your stakes and country say, a balance as a nebo for the one I catch it, and it be one to one answer we call your state. Now I call J. A. was assassin boy for which my phone 024370 8485 0243 708485. Now anyone entering common. No maybe because so all over Ghana, and especially the traditional and social media now. Ye na ye wasono. Uko even TikTok and Facebook ni adia. Sisi a challenge aba 1,000 interchanges and I say interchange compared to a year Ghana card. Ubia omampinin abedichiri Dr. Muhammad Baumia as stated said. So they say yama mienwe etun senyenima obeyi Ghana card. Na ho nsem no boba ate say enya asem keto. Isi Ghana hanum say won say youth no say na midi kan say we are not preparing them for the future nintia no ntina ohwa yemu bebre ni hwiye okọ social media reactions nko we are not taking anything serious. But for me making a little analysis of this issue. Say opinion be dina simpie so aka say interchanges be say 10,000 and as 1,000 emu hia te say Ghana card me mu dia ya na entiase no eni ho but ye hwe obi ho ma na entiase no edu echi chen e bia ye de ya ye woyi but ye hwe me pese etie nanum kasa na okan ye to affirm what I'm saying over here say or say obe to see a Ghana card over 1,000 interchanges but my entie kasa na ye koba na me a year my own opinion about this so area somewhere.
We inherited a problem of no unique national identification system. This has been with us since independence. We have implemented the national identification system of the Ghana card. And we have today 16 million Ghanaians with unique identities. And that is a major transformation. And maybe a lot of people sometimes don't even appreciate what the impact of the Ghana card is. But if you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more impact. With the Ghana card, access to student loans today is without the need for a guarantor. You first needed a guarantor to give you a student loan. But with digitalization and the implementation of it, we now can access student loans without the need for a guarantee.
Iti Oshe Ghana card no the analysis of why he would choose Ghana card na media enke enosu na wujina dia ene anka meka se Ghana card na nke hu hia but I look at something beyond Ghana card na ye kan in terms of identification ye nyina yin say nipa bone for dodo na omo Ghana ye man mu enti no with the help of that no ye security no ebetimi I very very tight enti na hono mu de anka I support say anka Ghana card no ehunya because security is key. We security film Ghana ha ye nyina ebetimi agu in a day because of insecurity. Enti no with that no anka I will support say ye for Ghana card but let's look at an interchange. Na ye accident ahodo so ekoso say you need interchanges ahodo and na ye traffic near nema de na ye 1,000 of that. You understand that will solve a lot of problems in Ghana and would reduce the level of accidents any idea about my Ghana. These are the critical issues that on my Ghana say no oman for be now eka say Ghana card interchange the comparison with here obi asebi na dwemu da ho kakra bia be hu say sanyema we mienu we untimi compare e bia ye the Ghana card no compare passport and as ye compare e bia identification card for bi dia anka eto asumnemu Ghana card ne interchange de sebi omo bo abira omo ni baby a sebi oba be compare oba oba compare oba to oba anase oba to bema untimi compare oba to aboa on dem che no enti no na che say making an analysis of this no enti asie kakra enye den about the enti amanfo bebre na reacted to this issue no about Ghana card. Me say Ghana card no you move bebre you hu so mfa so isan say no kwasema Ghana card no ho no ye say atochima dodo na enya mo Ghana card afi so Ghana card no insem kakra ho no ema hu kakra de enti na America sa ebedru be ye kase Ghana card we no ebetimi asebe 44,000 ebetimi asebe anase ebetimi accept 44,000 airports ewo owiase afa na nyina afei so yesan kase e-passport okohwem na hye bedwemu a foreign minister kase yetimi fanye e-passport edru ba bi so na wo san kase esan so e-passport any ade but me pese itie Dr. Muhammad Baumia the statements affirming that the Ghana card can be used as an electronic passport na yenhwe the controversy say ewo hu yenhwe say enunti na omanfo ejina so eka say Ghana card ne kra no so eni mfaso anase so amba mfaso kra ama Ghana for my yiti ne kasa ne yekoba ensem ne beto aso.
With the Ghana card, the identity of people, even dead people, can be established using their fingerprints. Ghanaian and other embassies abroad will be able to establish the identity of Ghanaians using fingerprints. Identity can be established even without the Ghana card. As long as you are enrolled on the database and you put your fingers on the application, you can be verified. It is not widely known, ladies and gentlemen, that the Ghana card is also an e-passport that contains biometric information that can be used to authenticate the identity of travelers. The government, since this year, has been working with the International Civil Aviation Authority organization, ICAO, to globally activate the e-passport function of the Ghana card. And I'm happy to announce that on 13th October this year, the Ghana officially became the 79th member of the International Civil Aviation Organization Public Key Directory Community. Ghana's country signing certificate authority would therefore soon be imported into the PKD system through what is known as a key ceremony. The key ceremony for Ghana will be held at ICAO headquarters in Montreal before the end of the first quarter of 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, what does all this mean? This means that by the end of the first quarter next year, the Ghana card will be recognized globally as an e-passport and can be read and verified in all ICAO compliant borders. That is 197 countries, 44,000 airports in the world. When this happens, holders of the Ghana card will be allowed to board any flight to Ghana. Furthermore, the good news for diasporan Ghanaians is that when the Ghana Immigration Service is linked.
So that is Vice President Dr. Muhammad Baumia or affirming to issues are not making. But the foreign minister has different say about this. Say it's you come to analyze it or just come to maybe a conclusion. Say you try and see a kind of crash and 90 as you move in Yinai. But see a honorable Shelly Ayokoboji on this same Ghana card. Now you see the Mampany already chase so a kind name compared to and make something out of it.
Speaker, the Ghana card is not a replacement to our current biometric passport. The Ghana card may serve as an optional travel document to be used in tandem with our biometric passport. It must be underscored that the passport together with the travel certificate are the only approved travel documents for Ghanaians that are internationally recognized. At the moment, the Ghana card cannot be used for travel to other countries, either within or outside of ECOWAS, as that will require bilateral agreements with countries for their authorities to accept the card as a travel document. The ministry is in active discussion with ECOWAS member states and our bilateral partners to achieve this. However, in light of the announcement by the Ghana Immigration Service titled Notice to the Public, Use of Ghana Card as a Travel Document, which was dated 24th of February, Ghanaian and dual national holders of the Ghana Card would be able to travel to Ghana using the Ghana Card.
These two statements are a little bit contradictory. Osha Bako Eka say the Ghana Card would be used as an optional traveling document, not an e-passport. It will be for us to say it will be used as an e-passport. And once it also about 16 to 20 million people and I on my register a binum so so and once people are asking questions. Is this really important? Are they telling us the right questions? When you analyze these two statements, now we share the trend up to now. In Kofobi offices or Munyani and Diana, you will come to a conclusion saying it here and saying it here. But quick one, you better na offer a health segment no area beto aso ni wi met na se na afi de me for apensen in semu na afi so wahu ni enti a wo se Ghana card no ebia ehu hia na afi so ko register ehu nsem no ni nyina no ye betena se na afi de apensen reading come for Clement York morning show han York state enko a na wo ye aboafo a chese waso ya sinifiti anopa ya ebesi pempenso ya bedri